So today I'm at an unfinished house looking at two unknown doors that I made. And one's an 8-foot door and one's a 7-foot door. So, who knows? This house was built around 2018. Yeah, this house was built in around 2018. So, but it's a 2020 house because it's kind of considered as one. But, yeah. So, for the garage, we have... we're gonna go inside right here. On this door, we got the Chamberlain Whisper Drive, model WD822K from February 2002. The original opener I was on here was the 8365. The 8365 got moved to that door, which it was kind of a big hassle because we had to get an 8-foot T-rail for this opener, so it would open all the way. So this door had the 8365, and this door didn't have an opener. It was just left manual. So I obviously decided why not just get an 8165 and build the second opener was actually on this door was the 8165 O, and then that got replaced with this. And then the other opener before the 8165 was actually the 8550 WLB. The 8550 WLB was the actual classic. That was actually the original motor that was on this door, and then it got replaced with the 8165 and then it got replaced with this. But who knows? But enough talking here. Let's go ahead and run down the Whisper Drive. This is a 935 CB. Here we go. Okay, we'll run it back up. Down. This thing is super duper quiet. I love this motor. This motor is so quiet. But now let's run the 8365 up. Here we go. Yup, that's the outside of that door, and I think I already showed you the outside of this door. But anyways, guys, so let's go ahead and run down the 8365. Let's go, we're gonna get it. Okay guys, let's go get an outside view of the 8365. On. Okay. Let's do the outside view of this door. Can't really hear the down sound from here, so okay, then let's run it back up. You can't really hear the up sound either. Be quiet. Let's go ahead and run this back down. And that's gonna be it. Alrighty guys, that's gonna be it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for new videos that are coming out soon. Anyways, I hope you all have a good day. Goodbye.